It's a new 2025 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.